Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device, and also I will show you some of the ringtones. First of all, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and here you have this ringtone and vibrate line. You just tap on it, and here you can select your ringtone for the SIM 1, and here you can select your ringtone for the SIM 2. Here you have the whole list of ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. Let's select this one, for example, and you just tap OK. And that's how you change your ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.